So, hello guys, welcome to another One Tech video. So we have a package from Amazon that is set of one containing one product. We have two products. One that is just for the DJI Mini 2, and the second one because I want to show you a smart padlock that I bought on Amazon. Link down in the description down below. Let's see this video. Let's see what is inside. So let's open this, guys. Look, it's so cute. It's so tiny. It's so precious. I mean, look at this. This is so tiny. Like super tiny. I have never received a box so tiny from Amazon. Okay, open this up. I mean, this is amazing, guys. Oh. Let me show you when I finish opening up this box. So guys, I've received these two things: the propeller guard from the DJI Mini 2 and the smart padlock. So we'll leave this for the end, and let's start with the DJI Mini 2 security belt. So it comes in two colors, red and white, gray. So it comes like this, as easy as that. Let me put the camera here, and you just open it up. And then there's a hole in there, and there we go. It comes in different colors. So I choose red because red is my favorite color. So here is the DJI Mini 2. Let me see if I can do this. Then you can do this. So let me put this down here. And so I think this goes here. The propellers go over here. Yes. And the first propellers go like this, and here in the little seat belt right here, can you see? Strap. Voila. It's over there. So the seller says that it works with the gimbal cover, gimbal protector, gimbal cover. I don't know how to call it. So I have the gimbal protector right here. This is the gimbal protector. So supposed to be here and then here, and it actually works with the propeller guard. So we did this, and now we have to do the smart. Oh, sorry, that was my error because there's the gimbal cover broke right here. So that's not about the protective propeller guard. It's just about myself, so don't worry about that. And that is it. So that is the DJI Mini 2 propeller guard. Now smart padlock. So this works with an app and Bluetooth. So I open this up, and just like this. Oh, you have stuff in the back. So charging cable, manual, and this part is now padlock. Let me put it in. Some guys on Amazon put that this is very fragile, and this seems like it was from plastic. But look, guys, this is very hard. Right? This is very hard. So I will open the app and screen record what I need to do. Bye bye. So guys, this is the app. Sorry that it looks this small, but is that I am on an iPad, so I will have to add a smart lock. Lock found. So touch the wake and link. So success. So I have to tap here. Oh, I think it didn't came with battery, but it has a lot of battery. So let me put, I think it's here, user management. No. Oh yes, I think it's here. Then here, fingerprint. So I will put finger. Oh, sorry, finger 1. Add fingerprint. So I'll put my fingerprint, my principal finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1 fingerprint. And I can also unlock using the app. Look, unlock. And it unlocked. So now I can access the padlock with this. So it just disconnected from the app. That is my thing. I just turned off Bluetooth. Sorry, but let me. So let me tell you more things about the app later. So guys, this is the app. So we have user management, the smart lock, authorization management, history record, unlock position, and unbind smart lock. So the most important feature to me is user management, because here is when I add my fingerprints. So I can unlock my smart lock using the app. So I don't know. Let me just here. So I will try to make it sound in the microphone that there is a little motor inside the smart lock that makes it unlock. I'm going to unlock it with the app. Did you hear that thing that was That was the smart lock unlocking, and you can use it also unlocking with your fingerprint. Look, can you hear it? So I'm going to show you this in real life. So guys, this is the padlock. So I cannot show you how to unlock it with the app because I'm using the same device to record this. So sorry, but I can use my fingerprint. So if I put this here, wait a second. And also I can use my other fingerprint. Let me put this back in. Wait, there we go. Let me switch the hand. So right here, did you see? I can put my fingerprint. Wait, let me try again. It always takes like in the first time 2 attempts, but when you get the hang of it, you do it. But the first time, the log just tries to verify their fingerprint, so it tells you to do it 2 times to use it. But this is so incredible. So this is the end of this video. I will show. So I will put the DJI Mini 2 strap link and the smart padlock if you want these amazing gadgets. So see you in the next one tech video.